Hello again. We have a Lexus LS600 hybrid here, where because the car had some engine faults, it has drained the hybrid battery. This massive pack is the hybrid battery, and because of that we are unable to start the engine. The car has also an auxiliary battery, which is a normal classic 12 volts battery, but this is only drives the control units of the car. But to be able to start the engine, we need to have the hybrid battery fully charged. We have removed this pack from where it's situated behind the seats. Quite comprehensive procedure. We have charged it up, and now we are installing back onto the vehicle, and we'll attempt to start the car, hopefully successful.